this is Swarpa from 9th standard. I am studying in the Jhansi High School. I am going to explain the true color of hazard. See the mountain which was trash containing of many plastics. Plastic is nothing but which will not decompose in the earth for many long years, and it is lighter to weight. We think that it is not weight and it can make into different shapes. That's why we are using the plastics. If we throw the plastic on the earth, it will not decompose now. So some of animals, unknown animals will eat the plastic and it will not decompose in the stomach and it goes to die in a few days. So we'll think that okay, we'll not throw the plastic and we'll burn it. Burning also causes a many damages. Like if we burn this has some plastic. If we burn the plastic, it releases some hazardous gas is known as chlorine. If we burn the plastic along with the which does not contain chlorine also, it releases the same amount of chlorine only. Air is a mixture of several gases like oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, etc. If the chlorine is releasing from the earth, it binds with the hydrogen and forms the one gas is known as dioxin. Dioxin is not a poison, but when it enters in our body, it damages a lot. We can call a dioxin is a cancer causing also. When it enters in our body, it changes normal cells into cancer cells also. Another factor is that dioxin is also known as environmental hormone. The organ which secretes hormones is called hormonal glands. When the dioxin is entered in our body, it acts like a hormone. It acts like a hormone only. When the dioxin enters in our body, it acts like hormone and changes the functioning of the cell. We think that the small sensitive hormones only bring many changes, like boys can become a girlish and girls can become a girlish also. So don't use plastic and save our earth.